What's going on, guys? This is PaleoPeachxy, and today we are going to be doing our first Safari Ltd unboxing. Alright guys, so I ordered some of the new 2019 Safari figures, so that's what is in this box, and let's just get right into the unboxing. So yes, I am using a box cutting knife, so if you're using this, just be careful. Alright guys, so here we go. Now, whoa, these are a lot bigger than I expected them to be. So first figure we got is the Safari Ltd Camarasaurus. Hold on, I'll get this on a better stand. Alright guys, so here is the 2019 Camarasaurus, and from what I can see right now, this looks beautiful. I am awestruck right now. Alright, so the next figure we have is, whoa, this is ginormous. It is the 2019 Spinosaurus, and let me tell you already, this looks a lot better in hand than we saw from the promo pics. Yeah, this looks great. And the third figure is the new Safari Pteranodon, and I love how this is in a, perched walking pose. That looks really great. The fourth figure we have is the new Stegosaurus, and my gosh, this is amazing. And the last figure I got was the woolly rhino. Now, I would have gotten this earlier, but I just didn't have, the time to order it, and I really don't know why I didn't order it, but here it is, and that looks great. So let's get these all out of the packages. Oh yeah, and one more thing, like always, comes with these little good luck minis, so we can just open these up. We got a large horse, I think a dog, and then a fox, and then another horse, which is pretty cool. Alright, so the first one we're getting out here is the new Camarasaurus. Now, we don't have this, oh, never mind, it's pretty easy to open. Wow. This is gorgeous. Now, all of these are so much bigger than I thought. I thought they'd be a little smaller, but they look great. And wow, this looks amazing. This looks awesome. And then the second one we have is the Spinosaurus. This is kind of one I was most excited for, although it is a bit inaccurate for what we know at the moment, but it's still alright. And here we have it. And that looks great, honestly. Like I said, a lot better in hand. And then we have the Pteranodon. Oops. Pteranodon, which is really nice from what I can see. It is on a stand to keep it from warping. It's just a mount, but this looks really great too. Wow. This looks amazing. And then fourth one is Stegosaurus. This looks really, really great. The color is a bit different from the promo pics. It's kind of a bit more faded, but still looks really cool. And the last one is the woolly rhino. Now this looks really awesome too. I love the fur on this. It's really awesome. It's really cool. Alright guys, so that was our first Safari Ltd unboxing. Here are all of the figures together, and once again, all I can say is wow. Nice job, Safari. These look great. So you will be getting reviews on these very soon after I review the other 2019 Safari figures I have, and that one Dimetrodon from Collect A. But yeah, these are all these, and they look amazing. So guys, overall, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to buy any of these, I will link that in the description. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Bye!